Understanding Sodexo Meal Card Usage at Domino's.
Hello, welcome to our video. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many people have questions about. What can you buy with a Sodexo Meal Card at Domino's Pizza? Let's dive in and find out.
What is a Sodexo Meal Card?
First things first, let's understand what a Sodexo Meal Card is. A Sodexo Meal Card is a type of meal voucher or benefit card issued by Sodexo. It's designed to provide employees with tax-free food and non-alcoholic beverage benefits. These cards are accepted at a wide range of food and beverage outlets across many countries, including Domino's Pizza.
Can Sodexo Meal Cards be used at Domino's?
Now, let's answer the big question. Can you use your Sodexo Meal Card at Domino's? Yes, you can. Domino's is one of the many fast food chains that accepts Sodexo Meal Cards as a method of payment.
Are there any restrictions on the items that can be purchased with a Sodexo Meal Card at Domino's?
Next, are there any restrictions on what you can buy at Domino's with a Sodexo Meal Card? Here's the important part. You can use your Sodexo Meal Card to purchase any food or non-alcoholic beverages from the Domino's menu. That includes everything from pizza to sides and desserts. However, it's worth noting that you cannot use the Sodexo Meal Card to purchase alcohol or any non-food items. That wraps up our discussion for today. Hopefully, this video has been informative and answered your questions about using Sodexo Meal Cards at Domino's. Remember, Sodexo Meal Cards are a versatile and beneficial way to enjoy a range of foods and non-alcoholic beverages at your favorite eateries, including Domino's. Happy dining!